how to check the usage and billing of your Codex application. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll guide you how you can check the usage and billing of your Codex desktop application. So for that, first launch your Codex desktop application and then click onto the settings option at the bottom left corner of the screen. Now once the menu appears, again click onto the settings option, and within the settings you need to click onto the usage and billing option right here. Now within the usage and billing, the first thing that you will see is your plan, which shows the current existing plan that you have. As in my case, I have the plus plan, which is shown by here. Then you have the credits balance, as it shows you how much credit you have left, and you can also reload it using the same. Then you see the general usage limit. From here you can find out your hourly usage limit. In my case, there is a 5-hour usage limit, out of which 99% is currently left, and then you can see the weekly usage limit under the here. So by navigating through this particular page, you can find out about your usage and billing of your Codex account. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.